So Ada is learning how to drive the first time. Yeah, keep it straight. Yeah.
I'm doing it, Dad.
Yeah, because you're getting good at it now.
Whoa.
Now we went over the bump. It's okay. Okay, keep it straight. Yeah, you're doing good now. Stay between the lines. You're heading towards the curb a little bit. Yeah, that's fine. That's fine. Just pay attention to the. Now you're going towards the other side. Yeah, bring it back. Not too much. Don't turn it too much. Yeah, like that. Okay, you're going near the curb. Not too much. Don't turn too much. Just slightly. You're heading the curb. Yeah. Keep it.
Is this good?
Yeah, this is good. Stay. Yeah, good. Now you're doing good. Okay, turn now. Turn a little bit. With the road. You turn with the road.
This is how it goes.
Yeah.
When can I stop?
Why you want to stop? You're getting tired?
Yeah.
Not yet.
Oh no. Okay, so we keep going.
Just a little bit more.
We're hitting a curve.
Not yet. You're doing good. Turn a little bit so you don't hit the curb. Turn more a little bit. Okay. Turn more because the road is turning. Okay, turn back a little bit. You're going towards the curb. Okay. Okay, you're going towards the curb again. Yeah. Just turn with the road slowly. Okay, there is a car behind us. Let him go.
You know we're heading right for the
Yeah. Yeah. Wait, let this car go. We wait for it to go. Okay, hold the steering. Yeah, let's go. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Wait,
Nemo,
wait,
why are you taking control?
No, because there's a car coming in the back. Let him go first, okay?
What if there are more?
Now there's one. See, watch for it to go pass by.
Checking the windows.
Yep, nobody's coming now. Go ahead. Now you turn. No, you're heading towards the curb. There's one car next to you on this side. See? On this side, the other side. There. So we let him go. No, he's turning the other way.
Did
Okay,
he
so.
just-
Yeah, he's also.
Did he just turn to the grass?
Yeah. Okay, now you keep it on the road. Okay, turn a little bit. You're heading towards the curb. Okay, good guy.
Is this good?
Yeah, don't go too much towards the other side.
Uh-oh.
Just keep it in the middle. Yeah, just adjust your steering wheel. If you're going too much to the left, turn towards the right a little bit. Turns towards the right a little bit. Yeah, good.
Now?
Yeah, turn a little bit towards the left. Little bit. Yeah, see, or a little bit more. Yeah, that keeps you in the road.
Uh-oh, a car is moving.
Now he's gonna go in front of us.
Quick, we have to honk at him.
No, not yet. Okay, keep it straight. Make to the go to the right a little bit. More right. You're hitting the curb. You're going towards the curb. It's okay.
I'm scared.
No, don't get scared.
Wait,
You
am
can.
I driving you home?
Yeah, almost. Okay, you're going. Yeah, keep it straight. Yeah, you're doing good now. I'm not even holding the steering wheel. You're doing it yourself. Okay, make it straight a little bit to the right. Okay, keep on going. Keep on going.
Am I driving home?
No, Ada, you're just driving in the park first. Okay, you're heading the curb. Heading. Yeah, turn a little bit more. Yeah. Okay. You're going towards the curb. Yeah, turn. Keep it in the middle. That's all you have to do there. Keep it on the road so you don't hit no curb. Okay.
Heading right for a curve.
Yeah, so turn the other way. Yeah.
Turn in.
Good girl. See, now you know how to do it. See, this is the first lesson, so you will learn how to turn. Okay, go back towards the right a little bit. Yeah. Okay. Now make it a little left. Yeah. Turn with the road. Yeah, good girl.
Yikes.
Okay, good. So this was today's lesson, okay?
I can stop?
Yes.